Okay, today we're going to take a look at these two robots. One on the left side is the Technibot XR-1. It's a kit that you put together. It was made in Japan. We're going to go over that one. The silver painted one on the right side of your screen is the Victory robot model, and what was that, Taiwan or something like that? Let me take a look here. Yeah, that one was made in Taiwan. And they show it both in a white and a silver version. The front of the box shows the silver. It was, of course, a window box, and it came pre-assembled, ready to run. Basically what you have is two C cells running 3 different motors and 2 lights in the eyes via this remote control. So you can go forward, you can go backward, you can turn left, you can turn right. You can raise and lower the arms, and the arms open when they're all the way down and close as they go up, so that you could grip an object to actually pick it up, for example. The arms are closing here. You can see once they close, then the power is transferred to raise them up. So you could have picked up an object at that point. And as far as the driving part goes, I haven't got much room here in the front before. Well, I'll turn it sideways. So you can go forward, you can go backward, and you can turn. And it comes with the lights in the eyes. On the motors, it's just 2 motors in there, one for each wheel, forward and reverse them. And that is the Victory one from Taiwan. Now, the one that I originally found was this nice kit one, which is made in Japan. And exactly the same functions, except you put the entire thing together, and as with most cool kits from Japan, everything's in Japanese. So basically you look at their extensive pictures describing what you're going to need, and you do everything. You put all the gears on the shafts. They tell you how to, well, they tell you, but for us that can't read Japanese, they show you how to press them on. You go through all of the build steps. At least they're numbered. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can follow the numbers. Then they show you a lot of the wiring. You'll notice this one window here is darker. This was an option. They don't provide you in this particular kit that I had with the 2 3-volt bulbs to put up in the eyes of the robot. But they show you how to wire them in and how to place them and all that, should you want to go out and get your own 2 3-volt grain of wheat bulbs. Showing you how all the arm mechanisms work. Then they come around on the back side where they really get down into the wiring. Here you have to even build the remote control unit. They show you how all the wipers go and how to do the wiring. The buttons. And the robot just comes as white plastic, so if you want it anything to stand out or anything to be in colors, you actually have to paint it yourself. So those are the instructions. Here's a peek at the box if you haven't ever seen it. There's nothing on the inside of the box. I took the instructions out already. If you can decipher anything from there, that'll help you. Great. There's a little bit of English on the technical data here. Which I guess you also saw some of that hidden in up here. Enjoy the actions. So I bought it as a kit. It was the first one I saw. And after I had this, I don't remember where I came across this one shortly thereafter. Found one that comes pre-built. But it is a fun build. Move it forward and backward. Let's get over here. And of course you can turn. And then you have the arms. In case you can't see what I'm up to, I'm pushing this arm up button here. And you have the arm down button. there you have it. The Technibot XR-1. This was made in Japan. It says on the box, I'm looking on the robot itself here. I don't see any country of origin on the robot itself. And we've already looked over the box, but there you have it. Hopefully that'll answer some of your questions.